New York said they needed their help, and a lot of frontline healthcare workers in Florida responded and went up there. Thanks for staying with us. I'm Patrick Nolan.
And I'm Jane Monreal. But now some of these same health professionals are speaking out after Governor Cuomo announced last week any break from paying Big Apple taxes is a big fat no, not even for them. Four in Your Corner's Katie LaGrone explains.
As governor of New York, I am asking healthcare professionals across the country.
It was a desperate call for help.
Please come help us in New York now.
Thousands responded to, including Florida nurse anesthetist Laura McGee.
I really had no idea what I was going to walk into.
And Jonathan Eberhardt.
There was a lot of death that I had to witness and be there for and be around.
Both spent most of April on the front lines in the Big Apple, and both are still recovering from the emotion of it all.
And that's probably the hardest.
While they were each paid by their Florida employer for their volunteer work in the Empire State, New York's governor recently announced he still plans to charge out-of-state healthcare workers who spent more than 14 days working on the front lines there state income tax. At more than 8%, New York has one of the highest in the country. It's also facing a $13 billion deficit, said its governor. Laura is okay with giving more to help.
I went to help New York City. If a little bit of my paycheck is going to go help New York City, then it helps.
Jonathan feels used.
As someone who went, that kind of is insulting to me. You know, it's like just being used as a way for his state to pay off budget issues.
Governor Cuomo has hinted he would waive taxes if the feds give his state more money.
It seems like healthcare workers are kind of being used as a pawn.
After hearing the call for help,
we will return the favor
and responding to it, regardless of its price and unexpected toll.
I'm just really grateful that my family hasn't been affected like this, and I feel so strongly for those people who have.
We've reached out to several Florida congressmen and women. None of them have returned our calls. However, the president of the American Academy of Emergency Medicine tells us she'll look into it. Katie LaGrone, Fox 4 in your corner.
Thank you, Katie.